We are pleased to show you the 2008 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain. The Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.